Hello everyone. Another day, another update. So let's see how it's come up. Now you can see compared to the last time, you can see a lot of grass coming up. So that's a good sign. So those ones will actually flower if you could zoom into this and see at the very tip, you can see that purple shade. So that is where the flower will bud. So yeah, it's a healthy bulb, this one with two shoots. um, yeah, that's how it is. And then you can see here again there are two ones which will bud. And yeah, so far good progress. All of the ones have shooted with some grass and are about to flower. So very good results. So in a week's time, I would expect most of these ones to flower. You can see this one. Yeah, it's a smaller one in size, but the shoot has grown very long. So very good results. This one as well. It's a good result. Yeah. So this is the setup, guys. So far so good.